crowd, aunties, uncles, nieces, nephews, and elders past and present. We bring to you tonight the greatest story ever told, a story that started many thousands of years ago, a story with infinite chapters, a story that is still being written today. The story of Benjamin, danger, and deception. Victory, chivalry, marvelous adventure, almost all the ones that we don't listen at the heart. What's the truth? Science! That's right! It's science! Spell S-C-I-E-N-C! It's science! That's right! It's science! My name is Jack.
And my name is Sarah. For our presentation tonight, we will be demonstrating the true meaning behind the most famous scientific equation of all time.
E equals MC squared. And to do this, we are going to look at each part of the equation one by one, and the different scientists whose ideas laid the foundations for Einstein's great achievement.
We like to think of these ideas as the ancestors of the amazing equation.
What is that?
A time machine.
Hello, sir. What is your name, please?
Oh, you what? I'm Michael Faraday.
The famous scientist.
Famous? As if. You have to be born rich to be famous, scientist.
It's a kind of battery. Why doesn't he just plug it into the wall?
It is made of 7 halfpenny coins stacked together with 7 discs of zinc and 6 pieces of paper that I have wet with the salt water that creates an electric charge. And see, it makes the magnetic compass needle jump all over the place.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Monsieur Lavoisier, and welcome to my show. Now observe, ladies and gentlemen, as I place this diamond into a sealed box. Notice that the weight of the diamond is precisely 5 pounds. Next, we need the power of the sun's rays. See now, ladies and gentlemen, the diamond is on fire.
Here comes Albert Einstein and his wife Malivia. That will help us explain.
Albert, what is the matter? Why are you running so?
Malaysia, I want you to imagine something for a moment. Imagine I have an incredible engine that can propel me at the speed of light. I am trying to catch up with the light beams leaving my body. Why can't I? I'm moving faster and faster, but something is stopping me.
To a very wealthy and very intelligent woman named
Emily du Châtelet.
You speak English.
I speak 6 languages. To drop your ball from this height. And you to drop your ball from this height. So, have a try.
Let me guess. The larger ball went 4 times as far.
You are a very clever girl.
Hannah, what What did you do?
Why did you assume it was me? What have you done, Hannah? I was mucking around with the dials and I might have accidentally pressed that button.
No, it shrinks everyone to a tiny size.
What's wrong with that? Can't we just reverse it? Hopefully, but we haven't been able to calibrate it properly. How small are we?
We're about to find out.
Hold on tight. Hopefully when we get out, we will be in the laboratory of Lisa Meitner in 1907.
If your brain is any match for your enthusiasm, together we'll uncover all the secrets of the atom.
Boys and girls, my name is Dizzy Doolin, and I'm here to perform with the kids a song called Women of Science. We are the women of science. We stand in defiance. As sisters we resist. We form an alliance. We are the women of science. We're breaking that silence. So in sisterhood, we form an alliance. I was born in France in 1706. Education was where I got my kicks. Born into nobility, my brain's agility facilitated my extraordinary abilities. 7th of November, 1978, the memories this day will commemorate. Lisa Meitner came into the world very quickly, showing she was an exceptional girl with a mind as sharp as a scimitar. Agendas of gender, she never let that limit her. Girls not allowed to finish high school.
Sorry to cut in, but I think we are running low on brain power. We'd better get back home.
Albert Einstein, as a child, looked at light and was beguiled. He knew somehow that light must be connected to mass and energy.
And all the swirling galaxies, burning stars, planets, moons, and asteroids were formed out of all of this over billions of years. Yes, you see, we are all made of stardust. You, me, your family, everybody around the world.
We are made of stars. We are stardust.